Hello everyone. This is another week of the major literary works in English literature series, and today I have chosen the work written by Thomas More entitled Utopia. It was originally written in Latin and was printed in the year 1516. It is said that it is a truly golden little book, no less beneficial than entertaining, about the best state of Commonwealth and the new island of Utopia. It was begun in the Low Countries, completed in England, and opens with a historical event, a delegation to Bruges in 1515, of which Thomas More was part. Thomas More is then introduced to the traveller Raphael at Antwerp and enters into conversation with him. Raphael recalls conversations at the house of More's sometime patron Cardinal Morton, which attempt criticism and analysis of contemporary European society and offer solutions for its ills, in the course of which Raphael cites the example of the Utopianas. Book 1 ends with More's request to hear further of Utopia, and Book 2, which was written first, contains Raphael's description of the happy island state where all things are held in common. Gold is despised and the people live communally. The work ends with More's ambiguous reflections on the story. There are some things in Utopia he cannot agree with, the others he would like to see implemented in Europe, although he doubts that they will be. Interpretations of Utopia, the name plays on two Greek words, utopos, a good place, and autopos, no place, are many and diverse. It has been seen as a program for an ideal stage, a vision of the ideal to be contemplated, satirical look at contemporary European society, and begot other in the 16th century and later. In the 16th century, Utopia was translated into Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, and into English, Ralph Robinson's version being printed in 1551. I hope this little podcast on this interesting and age-old work proves to be of help to each one of you. See you next week with another major literary work in English literature. Stay home, be safe, take care.